Hey guys, thank you for coming back to Shadow Builds. If you're new here, please subscribe, share, and like. Leave any comments in the box below. Alright guys, so here's a description of what we started with. We have a 2001 Duramax. This is exactly how it looked. The body is all original. Right here I just blacked it out for some wheels. But right here is the transformation. This is how it looked when we picked it up the day that we bought it. Here are just some pictures. A regular work truck, lifted 4 inches on 35s, chrome wheels. Nothing spectacular about it. Lots of dings and scratches, but we had a few things we wanted to change it. We used one of my other trucks as a guinea pig in order to start making the foundation and the base for it. And here are some of the phases where we had to go through. As you can see, there's a lot of these imperfections you can see here in the scoop. We changed them up so many times. And again, here you can see how deformed they were. 3 layers of fiberglass was not enough at all. It kept deforming, cracking on us. This is a 1 phase and it looked pretty good here until you got close up to it. But this is a 2015 to 2018 conversion that we were shooting for at first, until we decided to do our own thing. On this coming up video right here, you see me cutting some wood. I was making the jigs in order to try to get the truck in because we couldn't work on it outside and we needed to get it inside the shop. So the shop is just a 2-car garage and the entrance is like literally 80 inches or something, and the truck at the time it was 40 inches with the 6-inch lift kit, and it was like 78 inches tall. So I made these in order to get it just squeezed by like an inch. So here I'm testing them out, making sure they fit, see how they were gonna clear once they were on the ground, to know if we needed to notch them anymore in order to get that clearance just right. So right here we're gonna prepare for the next day. We had to back it up with my work truck. My wife was the one backing it up. This is the next day when we were getting ready to get inside. As you see here, it's still on all 4 tires. Right before I take the front 2 off. The back 2 stayed just for safety. But just last picture where you can see all the imperfections. Some of the side fenders here are just too soft, too over rounded from the first time we were trying to make them. The middle hood scoop and the sides are just trying to show you guys the imperfections that we try to correct, or else you guys will call me out, as you should. We're trying to give you guys quality work. All right, let's see. Now here we have already pushed the front end in, and we raised up the truck in order to get the jig on the back wheels. You can see that little white wannabe bumper that I put on there. It was just temporary in order for us to be able to push the truck in without crushing the fiberglass fenders or the tailgate with my other truck. Since it is inclined, it was extremely difficult and sketchy as hell to get this truck up there and inside the garage. This is just a close-up of the jig. Alright guys, as you can see, we got it in. You guys can see what we were struggling with. I have maybe 8 inches in the front, and right there I'm like an inch sticking out still. So we had to twist it, push it around, and get it to fit. Here's a video of me struggling to get it inside and get it to fit. So watch how this went. Alright guys, and I finally get it to budge. Still struggling though, sliding a couple times, almost but after all the struggle, we finally made it. You guys saw how I struggled to get this thing inside, everything I had to do. At this moment I was alone. My girl wasn't there to help me out, but she gets there for the last moment and tries to save the day, but I had to do all the fun by myself. But alright guys, stay with us, follow us, continue the journey with us. The next video will be a small glimpse of us doing the drywall mud in order to build the scopes for the center and the sides. So check that out, see all the process that it took for us to be able to level it out. We had a lot of mistakes. Some of the products just didn't work out for us, and we had to repeat many phases of it in order to get a good quality finish on this hood that we're trying to make kits for you guys. So stay tuned, follow us, and please share with all your friends so that way we can grow and bring more content to you guys. Thank you. By the way, we're also on TikTok, so follow us there. I'll post it right here. And Instagram is also on its way, so stay tuned.